It's a cover. And it's very personal kasi it's a song na kanta siya kung paano ako nanligaw. Okay? Kasi kuya ako. I'm Kuya TJ for the longest time. Kaibigan kami. So mga kuya-kuya dyan, di naman sa ano, pero tignan niyo to. So, Kuya TJ ako. Tapos sabi ko, paano ko ngayon sasabihin sa kanya na gusto ko siya? Eh kuya nga ako, paano siya maniniwala? At paano ko siya sasabihin straight on her face na, uy, gusto kita. Parang hindi ko alam. Eh ma-music ako, so syempre dinaan ko ulit sa kanta, no? And I sent it through a voice note. And this is that exact song. Sinend ko sa voice note, eto mismo. Let's play it, Chris.
I think that possibly, maybe I'm falling for you. Yes, there's a chance that I've fallen quite hard over you. I've seen the paths that my eyes wander down. I wanna come to, 'cause I think that possibly, maybe I've fallen for you. No one understands me quite like you do, through all of the shadowy corners of me. And I never knew just what it was about this old coffee shop I love so much. All of the world I never knew. I never knew just what it was about this old coffee shop I love so much. All of the world I never knew. Cause I think that possibly, maybe I've fallen for you.
The song's called Falling in Love at the Coffee Shop, Relantic Pig. And doon ako nang ligaw, kinanta ko yung line na yun. At sagot niya sa akin, ha, kuya? Di ba?